41% of companies worldwide are secretly planning to replace their human workforce with AI in the next 5 years. But what they're not telling you is that it's already happening faster than anyone predicted. While you're watching this video, 627 tech workers are losing their jobs today to AI automation. Not this week, not this month, today. That's nearly 229,000 jobs eliminated every single year, and the pace is accelerating. But here's what should terrify you even more. Google just quietly released their most advanced AI tool yet, and it's not making headlines because they don't want mass panic. It's called Gemini 2.5 Flash, and this isn't just another chatbot that gives you recipes or writes emails. This AI system can write complex code faster than senior programmers with 10 years of experience. It can solve advanced mathematical problems that would take data scientists hours to complete. It can analyze market trends, create business strategies, and handle customer inquiries with zero human intervention. I've been tracking AI development for years, and I've never seen anything this capable released to the public. What used to require entire teams of specialists can now be done by one AI system in minutes. So major corporations like Meta, Amazon, Microsoft, and Apple have already started this kind of, quiet transition. They're not really announcing mass layoffs anymore. What they're doing instead is just not replacing workers when they quit or retire. And, instead of hiring new people, they're implementing these AI systems that can handle the workload of 5, 10, sometimes even 20 employees. Now, here's the most disturbing part, honestly. These companies are reporting record profits, all while their human workforce keeps shrinking. The thing is, these AI systems never take sick days, never ask for raises, never form unions, and they work around the clock, 24 hours a day, without any breaks. But Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash is, different from anything we've seen before. This system doesn't just follow commands, it actually learns and adapts in real time. If you feed it information about your job, it'll literally study your workflow and optimize it way beyond what any human could do. So I tested this myself. I gave it a complex data analysis project that would normally take me about 6 hours to complete. The AI finished it in just 12 minutes. And honestly, with better accuracy than I could achieve. That's not just efficiency. That's replacement level performance. The scariest part isn't just that AI is getting better at our jobs. It's that companies are realizing they can basically maintain the same productivity with only a fraction of their workforce. I mean, why pay 100 employees when 10 employees plus AI systems can produce the same results? The industries being hit the hardest right now are, the ones you'd never expect. Customer service representatives are being replaced by AI chatbots that can handle complex complaints better than humans. And content creators are losing work to AI systems that can write articles, create videos, and design graphics in just seconds. But here's where it gets really disturbing. Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash has advanced reasoning capabilities that allow it to make decisions traditionally reserved for managers and executives. It can analyze employee performance data, optimize team structures, and even recommend which human workers should be terminated for maximum efficiency. I found internal documents from major tech companies showing AI implementation roadmaps. By 2026, they're planning to reduce their human workforce by an average of 35%. That's not downsizing, that's systematic replacement of human workers with artificial intelligence. The speed of this transition is what's catching everyone off guard. Just 5 years ago, experts predicted AI would gradually take over simple, repetitive tasks. Now we're seeing AI systems handle creative work, complex problem solving, and strategic decision making that we thought only humans could do. So, software engineers really thought their jobs were safe because coding has always required a lot of creativity and problem-solving skills. But now Google's new AI can debug code, optimize algorithms, and even create entire applications from just simple text descriptions. It doesn't just write code, it actually understands the logic behind programming in ways that are honestly kind of frightening. The financial sector, well, it's experiencing some of the most dramatic changes we've ever seen. AI systems are now handling investment decisions, loan approvals, and risk assessments, stuff that used to require whole teams of financial analysts. JP Morgan's AI, for example, can analyze legal documents and contracts faster than an entire law firm, and get this, with even better accuracy. What really sets this apart from previous technological disruptions is, honestly, the scope. The Industrial Revolution replaced physical labor, but it took decades. The computer revolution replaced manual data processing, but that happened over years. But AI, it's replacing cognitive work across all industries, and it's happening almost simultaneously in just a matter of months. Companies aren't just using AI to assist human workers anymore. They're actually using AI to completely eliminate the need for human workers in specific roles. And the AI systems are getting so sophisticated that they can even train themselves to do jobs better than the humans they're replacing. The most chilling statistic I found is that companies using AI automation report their AI systems improve performance by an average of 400% compared to human workers, while reducing costs by 80%. From a business perspective, honestly, this isn't even a difficult decision. Here's what's happening right now that the media isn't reporting. Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash isn't just replacing individual workers, it's actually eliminating entire departments, marketing teams, HR departments, accounting divisions, and even middle management positions are being consolidated into AI-powered systems. So I spoke with former employees from major tech companies who were told their positions were being restructured, but honestly, the reality was their entire job function was handed over to AI. And these aren't low-skill positions we're talking about. These are college-educated professionals with years of experience who are being replaced by algorithms. The psychological impact on workers is something no one prepared for. People are starting to realize that job security doesn't exist anymore, regardless of education, experience, or skill level. I mean, if an AI can do your job faster, cheaper, and more accurately, why would any company keep paying human salaries? But here's the part that should keep you awake at night. The AI systems being deployed now are still in their early stages. Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash is just the beginning. These systems are designed to continuously learn and improve, which means they get better at replacing human workers every single day. The companies implementing AI replacement aren't just saving money on salaries. They're eliminating the costs of health insurance, vacation time, sick leave, training programs, office space, and honestly, all the overhead expenses that come with human employees. For shareholders, this is the most profitable business strategy in history. What's most terrifying is how quickly this is spreading across industries. Healthcare AI can diagnose diseases more accurately than doctors. Legal AI can research case law and write briefs faster than lawyers. Educational AI can create personalized learning programs better than teachers. Even creative industries that were supposed to be safe from automation are being decimated. AI can write novels, compose music, create artwork, and produce videos that are honestly indistinguishable from human-created content. So, the timeline for mass unemployment isn't decades away. It's actually happening right now. By the year 2027, experts predict that 40% of current jobs will be either eliminated or fundamentally changed by AI automation. That's over 60 million jobs in the United States alone. The most disturbing aspect of this entire situation is that there's no plan for what happens to all the displaced workers. Companies are racing to implement AI because, well, their competitors are doing the same thing. It's become a survival strategy. Automate or get out competed by companies that do. If you're watching this and thinking your job is safe, I need you to understand something. The AI systems being developed aren't just replacing manual labor or simple tasks. They're actually replacing human intelligence itself. And once that happens, there's really no job category that remains protected. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is the economic reality of 2025, and it's accelerating faster than anyone predicted.